Yes, I'm tucked in. No, I don't need a hot water bottle. Yes, I would like a cup of tea. But wait. I want to thank you. I know that I can be a little bit awful when I'm ill. Okay, I'm a terror. I'm sorry. I don't like being ill. And I know that I'm hard work. And you've been so sweet. You've looked after me, taken care of me, put up with me. And I've come to a conclusion that it's going to be a surprise to you, but I need to tell you it's important. And it's not just something I just came up with. There's so much evidence, and I can't believe I didn't see it before now. Okay, this is big and this is scary, but you need to know. I think you're in love with me. Aren't you going to say anything? You're in love with me. I mean, you would have to be in love with me to put up with me, to take care of me, to... What? See that? You're still smiling at me. That means you're in love with me. How? I don't know, I No, I'm fine. I'm fine, I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? I don't apologize. I am a terror when I'm ill. I'm mean and I'm cruel and I'm grumpy and I'm cranky. Oh my god, I'm in love with you. Okay, I need to prove I'm in love with you. I've been nice and patient. I've said thank you. I'm in love with you. When did that happen? I'm in love with you. I didn't know. Why are you smiling? I'm in love with you. This is... Wait. You knew? You knew that... Why didn't you tell me? When I figured out you were in love with me, I told you. Wait. You're in love with me. And I'm in love with you. We're in love. Did you know? You knew. Wait. You knew. What do you mean everyone knows? How can everyone know? I just figured it out. Am I the last one to know? It's because I'm sick. No, it is. It's because I'm sick. No, I haven't been in love with you for weeks. I've been in love with you for months. How didn't I... I'm really slow. Wait, this is your fault. You make me stupid. You make me all marshmallowy and butterfly and excited and happy and all. That's love. That feeling is love. Oh. I think I'm in shock. I think I need a cup of tea. And maybe some biscuits. What do you mean I can't have Fine. Yes, I know. Biscuits would hurt my throat. You're just taking care of me because you're wonderful and you love me. And I love you. Thank you. Yes, I'm still a little bit grumpy. Thank you. Thank you for just putting up with me and You see me at my worst and you're smiling. You still love me. And I'm vulnerable, and I'm letting you see that, and I still love you. I have a new conclusion. A scary one. I think we're really, really in love. Oh, I feel all tingly, and it might be a sickness. No, I'm pretty sure it's excitement, and oh, I feel all giddy. I want to kiss you so much, but I don't want to make you sick. But you're so bloody kissable. Okay, I'll hurry up and get better, and then we can kiss. We'll kiss a lot. I'm gonna think about kissing you now. Can't stop smiling. Oh yeah, I'm so stupid. How didn't I realise? How didn't I know? Of course I love you. Because you are wonderful. And you're about to become even more wonderful. Because you're going to make me a cup of tea. Thank you. I love you. I'm in love. And this blush is just because I'm ill. It's got nothing to do with being in love. Absolutely. Yeah. I really believe that. I'm really ill, but still happy. And now I'm going to focus on getting better, because I really, really, really want to kiss you. So go and make that tea, and I love you. I have no idea what I'm doing. Wait, everyone knows. Everyone knows. Oh no, this is so bad. This is so bad. Because I am